Hello everybody, we have another unboxing video today. I just received my latest camera related products from AOI. The first product we're going to be unboxing is a UH-ACT-BLK. This is a universal housing for action cameras from AOI. The second product we're going to be unboxing is the adapter from AOI, the ACT-ADP2 adapter. Afterwards we're going to assemble it all together, see how it looks, how it feels. Alright, let's begin. We're going to start with the underwater housing. First thing you get is the instructions, a fiber cleaning cloth, some stickers, and some information about adapters. We have a lanyard also. Here's the most important thing, the actual housing itself. Let's remove the front cover. You do so by pressing the button and twisting at the same time. Now we're going to open the housing. It's actually quite simple, very nice idea. Pull, twist. This is what we have inside. We have grease, O-ring removal device, extra O-rings, these are good and useful. And then we also have here a monitor sunshade. All right, let's unbox the adapter. Once you open the box, some basic instructions, the usual stickers, and the key device. This is the adapter, again, for the Ace Pro 2. Don't forget, with the AOI housing, you can buy adapters really for any action camera. GoPro, DJI, Insta360. All right, we're going to begin by taking the camera and putting it in the adapter. At the top of the adapter, you have an illustration showing you which direction to put it in. Push it in all the way, make sure it's nice and snug. Then we're going to open the housing. Very easy, I love that movement. Now we're going to place the camera inside. Push it all the way in, make sure it's nice and secure. Close the housing. Let's just turn it on now so you can see. Lovely. Let's remove now the lens. And now we're going to also attach the wide lens. If you remember from the previous video, I just got this as well. Let's remove the lens cover. Voila. All right, here's a final view of the setup. Soon I'm going to be adding a tray and most likely a float. All right, now we're just going to weigh this unit and see how much it weighs. Don't forget, we're going to add a lot of accessories to this later on, like a strobe, trays, lanyards, covers. But right now it's about 861 grams, which is about 0.86 kilos, just under a kilo.